Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. Going into the video of Supriya Life Sciences Limited IPO, which will be open from 16th December 2021 to 20 December 2021, which is currently from today to until 20 the close date is. So going to Supriya, I explaining about IPO. One of the key Indian manufacturers and suppliers of active pharmaceuticals ingredients with a focus on research and development. As of October 31, 2021, the company has niche product offerings of 38 APIs focused on diverse therapeutic segments such as antihistamine, analgesic, anesthetic, vitamin, anti-asthmatic, and anti-allergic. So Supriya Life Sciences is uh, somewhat is a pharmaceutical ingredients manufacturing company. So going into the IPO details, so the price band is from 265 to 274, issue size is 700 crores, and issue type is book built, and the open close dates and the listing date would be 28th. So going to the subscription details, the issue size of the IPO is 700 crores. First one, the price band ranges from 265 to rupees 274, and the shares of Supriya Life Sciences Limited will list on 20th December 2021. We know that, and the latest tentative of grey market premium of Supriya Life Sciences IPO is rupees 190. So kind of the grey market premium is going down from 265 to 274 to 190. So going to the IPO valuations, upper price band 274, existing shares 7.31 crores, the fresh issue was 200 crores, and the market cap is 2202.94 crores, and ending per share in 21 year is rupees 16.92, and the profit per earning ratio is 16.19 times, and industry per earning is 23.02 times. And the IPO issue size would be total 700 crores, and the fresh issue is 200 crores, and offer for sale is 500 crores. So 500 plus 200 equal to 700 crores. IPO market lot of Supriya Life Sciences. So minimum one lot. In one lot 54 shares are available. The amount of one lot would be 14,796, and maximum lots you can apply for is 13. 13 into 54 equal to 702, and the price of 13 lots is 1,92,348 rupees. So going to the IPO share offer, so this IPO can be applied by qualified institutionals have 75%, so they have more percentage than compared to non-institutional and retail individuals. Non-institutionals contains 15%, retail individuals contain 10%. So going to the IPO grey market premium, it's been decreasing from 11th December. 11th December it was at 250, 12th December it was at 210, and 13th December it was at rupees 190. And the allotment details would be, so you can check the allotment if you got or not on 23rd December, and if you doesn't get, the refund will be initiated on 24th December, and if you get the allotment, then the shares would be credited to your demat account at 27th December, and the IPO listing date in stock exchange on 28th December. So these are the basic details, and going into the financials of Supriya Life Sciences Limited. So going into the valuation and financial of Supriya Life Science Limited, let's go. So the page number would be 194, you can check it out. So these are the financial and valuations of this Supriya Life Sciences. So you can see the balance equities, and going to the assets sector, The Supriya contains total non-current assets were at on September 13, 2021. It's been increased from 2019 to 2021. Present it was at 1841. In previous March 31 it was at 1794 total non-current assets, and total current assets would be 3199. This is also increased from previous years on 2021, 2020 and 2019. So total comparing total non-current asset and total current assets, when you compare add those, total assets it would be 5041 in September 30. In March 31 it would be 2006 sorry yeah 4458, which is also increased from previous years. And going to total non-current liabilities, liabilities were decreasing consistently from previous years. It is now at 165, previous it was at 308. And total current liabilities would be 1527 September, which is not decreased, but it was in a stable condition. So the previous in March it was at 1460. So when you compare total equity and liabilities, in September 30 it was 5041. Compared to previous year, it kind of grown a little bit. So the total assets and total current liabilities were equal, so we cannot check that. And the total income would be 2300, which is kind of decreased in previous years compared to. Total expenses would be 1313, which is kind of decreased. That's a good point. And profit before tax also been decreased in compared to March, and profit for the year is also decreased compared to the previous quarter. So total comprehensive income for the year comprising profit and OCI for the year is, in September it is at 659.22, which is low compared to March. So going to cash flow, segment, you can see net cash generated from operating activities, which is 158, which is decreased. And cash flow from investing activities is also decreased. Cash flow from financing activities is also decreased from compared to March segment. So the income, cash flow, assets and liabilities were going backwards, but you can also compare from March 31 2020 and March 31 2021. Then there was a slight increase in the cash flows, profits, assets or everything. There was a kind of bit growth, but compared to September and March in 2021 there was a kind of low. So maybe they invested in some companies, or maybe they got some they invested in something to grow the company. So going to my review on Supriya Life Science Limited, should you apply or not? These are the results that I have seen. That the company financials were bad, but you can also see that the grey market premium is also going low, which is a negative side. But in another side it is a good point to buy because the stock is selling at lower levels. So there would be a pullback that could be sure of nearly 5 to 10%. So if the grey market premium is still low, then you can apply for it and you have a chance. And when it was listed in the stock exchange, then you can have some minimum of profit, in my point of view. So this can be good for you can book profits in while the company lists in stock exchange, which is also a short term segment type of. So my review on Supriya Life Science Limited is good for short term, for listing ends maximum. So if you like it, do it, go review on yourself and check it out. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like it, then please do smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos from this YouTube channel, Investors and Traders Club, and don't forget to click the bell icon.